my lens and restart. I've been in here playing. That dash. Something going on with my lights. I think that switch might be dodgy. I can flick my high beam on and it makes my engine rev up and down, you know. More orders. Got my lollies. But I don't know where I fitted my Haltech, just made up a little bracket there. Pretty solid to install the 750 and just run my line. My harness down through there for later. But yeah, that came up pretty sweet. Just a little bracket that I've screwed in there. Good. Yeah, that was yesterday's little effort. Plus, my intercooler, bloody hell, we're doing this morning. My trans cooler, it's all wired in now, running off that temp sensor that comes with it, the aeroflow one. That's 75 degrees. I'll leave that for now. He can do that. Lights off. I had to fix up my hard line that I left in there because the silver solder didn't take to it, so I took it to work and used the oxy to get some better heat into it. And they're good now, no leakies. And now we're just playing with our intercooler mounts. Bit of C channel. I've just tacked it in there to that support bar there for the radiator. Just trimmed up this C channel here. Bumper fits good. Might have to do a little bit more trimming, but I've got to drill some holes to sit on there and do the top mount. All done. So it's stinking hot. So that's where we're up to. Get some lights up there in the shed. And get this intercooler fitted and see what I've got to do for the piping. Digging, I'm learning. So here we go with it. Here's one for you. When you're using the drill, when you tighten him up, apparently, well, I've been doing it for a while now. Just go one click back, like that. That's meant to stop your drill bit from spinning in your chuck, apparently. Make myself a couple of little brackets, just to add a bit of sheet. That'll stop it from moving forwards and backwards anyway. That bottom brace, she's going to hold her. So we'll get these tapped in and start looking at pipe work. Let's get it tacked in. We'll just run some holes there and weld. 13 or rivets. They pay for themselves their weight of gold, these bloody things. That good quality one. I've seen ones that are like a rivet gun that you push together. This is actually screw it in. I just think it's a bit better than some of the spots you've got to try get them into. I've just drilled me, I think, a 7/16 hole. This is for an 8mm insert. Just like that. Dummy. bumper. Plenty of... Oh. I'm going to have to take that out. I'm going to make some little things here, braces, his bottom spoiler. But not much room, but I like the fitting. Looks good. Just to work out a bend. Got to work out your bends here now. That, where I cut that, that was just where the nudge bar was bolted to. So I'm going to cut that out. It'll give me a little bit more room on both sides. I'll work out where I'm going to cut that and tig on me bits. Yeah, the fun bit now. That's I'll just slip down to work, and well, I'm not going to get very close to those welds because I'm learning to dig. But I've got them welded on, tigged on. That's the spot. I just had to do a couple of little cuts and grinds, and just so I can get it in and out. But that's it. You can mount it up. Paint me brackets and done. And the bumper fits in there, so now I can start rubbing the bumper back. That's it. Oh, excuse me. I've got a heap of satin black left over from my rims, so I'm going to black it out. Or do I add a little bit of red? Black out the intercooler and red piping, maybe? Might just break it up a little bit. Let me have a comment. I don't know. There will be a little bit of black on the nose bumper, but a little bit of red in those piping might make it pop out a bit. Anyway, comment, black or red? Intercooler will be black. The piping, red or black. Open that. I'm leaning towards red, maybe. Anyway. And another day at work, I did pull the EL motor. I did plastic gauge it. Did the big end, was a spec 2 to 4. I was at 5, so too much. Or yeah, here's another one. Comment: do I just bomb out the XG motor? It's only got 140,000 Ks on it, so I know it should be good. And just use the parts off the EL, time and cover, blah blah blah. Because I'm going to use EL or AU harmonic balancer, so I can use some sequential timing for the Haltech. Anyway, yeah, what should I do? Bomb out the XG? Because I'm still going to use that head, which I think I'm going to do now. I don't know. Comment, what should I do? The EL motor? Do I send it? Go to town on it? That's just going to cost money. Either way, it's got to go apart, so I can ring gap it anyway. Here's another one. Leave a comment on that one too. What should I do? But we're getting there slowly. It's an effort when you're by yourself. Righto. I'm out. Oh, and how friggin' hot is it? What's my rooster clock say? How good was the grand final last night? It was a good game, I enjoyed that. Don't worry about the time, that isn't even close, but what are we sitting at? 36 degrees. It's going to be a stinker of a summer out here. Radio.